Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am Alam Hussein from Faculty of Computer Information Technology from Jordan University of Science and Technology. My survey on tracing pandemic COVID-19 using blockchain approach. I will discuss this outline in this presentation, part of a blockchain, contact tracing techniques, application tracing COVID-19 via blockchain approach, and the structure of the blockchain, the challenges and the possible solution, and contribution or conclusion. The blockchain technology was invented to permit trade developers to make transaction directly through a network without intermediate parts, peer to peer. The blockchain helpful to trace COVID-19 and stop spreading this virus. The approach guaranteed data integrity, security, transparency, and traceability. The parts of the blockchain, first one is data block, chain of secure block, every block updated by interconnected to previous block using hash label via strong link between the blocks. The second one was the distributed ledger. It's a Oracle data that register and keep the transaction caused by users, cannot be modified, having a secure cryptography signature decoupled with the timestamp in real time by sharing the ledger to all components of the networks continuously. The third part, consensus algorithm, the process via establish an arrangement over entities, the verification of each data block by mining process can be by joining nodes and computing with one another to verify the block for obtaining cost as reward for other mining effort. For the contact tracing, the blockchain contains the chronologic related list of encrypted signature, asymmetric cryptography, helpful for tracing COVID-19 related healthcare issue or problem because of a secure distributed ledger containing a permanent transaction records that we shared by all components on the network to enhance the healthcare data privacy and get a secure data administrator. The tracing techniques, there are a lot of applications for detector tracing COVID-19 using Bluetooth or NFS اللي هي network file system, cellular network, GPS, or using Wi-Fi or using the QR code. It's become suitable and helpful when the smart devices through person's account are connected to the blockchain approach. I made a classification for this application that using blockchain for tracing COVID-19 depend on the security of technology. Security of technology depending on the type of the data collected and where the data stored and the implementation for the application itself. The NFS higher security than the GPS, as we see. Classification by power consumption, depending on the application and technology. The Bluetooth higher level in power consumption consume more power than the NFC, as we see. By classification by coverage area, as we see, GPS higher coverage more than area than Wi-Fi, than cellular, Bluetooth, and low level or coverage small area اللي هو NFC. The structure for the blockchain personality dealing includes 14 days references list by the user signed the private key as we show in this picture. Anonymous ID or unknown personal's identification produced by hashing personal's public key hash value of current block and the previous block with version non-serial target to guarantee له permanent stored data or cannot be modified or altered. The challenges for the blockchain. First one, attacks on the blockchain. Attacks on the blockchain. How can exciting data by migrated? What kind of attacked will be? Attacks change information that is permanently confirmed on the blockchain at the beginning, such as the quantum computing solution by efficiency crypto privacy technique to guarantee security problem or issues such as the homomorphic signature. The second one, the design of the blockchain needs to enhance in the future. Yes, we need to enhance the design of the blockchain in the future by using hybrid blockchain to ensuring the different level of protection and operating on the authorized execution conditions for the smart contracts. The third one was how many transactions can the blockchain be performing per moment when executed by current instruments? Can we balance between security and the cost? We know for latency, depending on the blockchain platform classification, it's opposite with the throughput transaction. A solution to improve it using sharding technique by divide the hybrid network into groups called shards or using الهوداج cycle graph topology, also using agreement algorithm and hierarchical chain system for enhance the throughput. The fourth one, depending on the domain of the application, which type of the blockchain that the user should use. By using طبعا type of the blockchain, by using distributed off-chain storage with a layer of security to provide data availability, privacy, and ensure secure storage. So the solution by using privacy by design اللي هو ITS intelligence transport system or privacy enhancing technique such as الجمل encryption or zero knowledge proof inspired approach or other approach. I mentioned that in my survey. 5. If the nodes spread over the country, so which privacy law should apply? If so, privacy law be part of the blockchain interaction. When the blockchain or the chain or the nodes spread over the country, the e-government where the self اللي هي ownership identity standard could be boosting to manage with the privacy and security characteristic or properties. So the integration of the blockchain technology into management assistance has attracted the purpose or the claim of the administrator to allow everybody or everyone from everywhere to become e-resident. The last one, if we need minor power consumption يعني نعمل trade off between the power consumption and using lightweight blockchain. طبعا we get it by using lightweight crypto algorithm that must be protected and flexible to future attack such as the quantum computer attack. The final issue here, contribution or conclusion, The blockchain approach serves the stakeholder in tracing and defeat the spreading of the COVID-19. The application that deployed by blockchain guarantees security correctly and the authenticity. This application variation in power usage, coverage area, and other characteristic. If we need a suitable approach, we need the rigid implementation for application. طبعا combination between the GPS and the Bluetooth will get helpful tracing application for COVID-19 via using the blockchain. We expect the blockchain approach will recreate a special part in the future during eruption of the infection disease such as the blockchain.